MIR is pleased to introduce a new tabletop chain pin removal and pin assembly tool. This new 72962 tool provides the following features. Safety, eliminates the punch and hammer. Simple to use, fits several styles of tabletop chain, straight running and side flexing. This tool is also manufactured in the USA. This video will provide direction on use. However, please ensure proper use of personal protection equipment before beginning. This includes safety glasses, gloves, and if on a noisy production floor, earplugs or other hearing protection. The MIR tabletop pin removal and pin assembly tool can be used on a wide variety of chain styles. They are 879, 880, 890, 820, 831, 882, 440, and FlexLink. Within the toolkit carrying case, you will find a pin driving mechanism, 5 chain holders to accommodate the different chain styles, and a set screw wrench. For this demonstration, we will use the Uni 880 low friction side flex chain and the K450LF straight running chain. Match the chain holder to the proper link geometry. Using the set screws and wrench, attach the chain holder to the end of the pin drive tool. When you are ready to drive the pin out or install the pin, you can use either a wrench or a drill with socket attachment. After the pin is removed, we can reverse the process and drive the pin in. The MIR tabletop pin removal and assembly tool is designed to make belt installation or pin removal and replacement easy and safe. For more information, an on-site demonstration, or pricing, please contact MIR. MIR, moving forward.